Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Gowde, Mechanical Engineering Sandwich, AISSMS College of Engineering 2011 and 15 batch. Since childhood, I wanted to become engineer. I wanted to build things which people can use. And that's why I realized only this course is going to give me an opportunity to learn theoretical knowledge at school and apply it while I'm doing my internship in industry. So I was very specific about this course. Moreover, there is always a big gap between what we think how industry work and how it actually work. And this course definitely helped me bridge this gap. Automotive had always been my passion. Before getting into engineering, I was visiting all the engineering college available in Pune. While I was at SSMS College of Engineering, on college ground, I saw few students were testing their race vehicles. So I spoke with one of them. I'll name him. He's my friend Moyat. So he explained me nicely about SI events like Baha, Supra, how they work, and what opportunities we get because of them, and how college was supporting for these events. And that's when I decided that yes, one day I'm going to get into this college, and I did. And as soon as I entered into the college, I became a part of Resonance Racing. Another big factor why I chose AISSMS was the culture. I'll be blunt as always, but I was from rural background. I had excellent academic background. I had excellent public speaking skill, but in Marathi, not in English. Spoken English was my one of the problems. When a person like me from a rural background, vernacular academia gets into a metro culture, he gets overwhelmed and he finds it difficult to adopt things, and probably this is a story of many people. But I realize here in AISSMS you get a warm culture. It always has a Marathi touch. There are many people like you, and so you can gel with them and you can help each other build yourself. I did my first engineering in Volkswagen Motorsport, where we built more than 30 race cars, rally cars, and got involved in various industrial activities. This internship was so intense, but it made me ready for the future endeavor. My second internship was at Volkswagen Body Shop, where it was hardcore mechanical and engineering production activities, and I really enjoyed every bit of them. Before I passed out my engineering, I received a job offer from Eaton Hydraulics in campus placement. I got tremendous exposure in 2 years with Eaton, right from supply chain to operations, production, after sales service, sales, marketing, each and everything. I enjoyed every bit of it. But somewhere I realized the life was getting monotonous and I was missing out the excitement of doing new things every day. During same time, many of my friends were going abroad, especially in USA and Europe, for further education, getting good paying job and getting settled over there. So I also decided to go with the flow, and I also started working on GMAT and GRE. But one day I realized that's not what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. I wanted to do business. I wanted to build something on my own, and so I quit my job and I joined a startup, technology startup named eAddict. Its full form is All Day I Can Cycle Through. It's basically about electrical pedelec bicycles. This startup was actually very small. It had just incubated, and it was around 1 year old company. I was company's first associate, and company had only done business of around 8 lakh rupees. It was a big risk, of course. Everybody told me not to take such risk, but that's the way I am, and I took it. Today, after five years, we work mainly in electrical bicycles, electrical bike conversion kits, electrical two-wheeler and three-wheeler, powertrain technology, battery technology, and yes, it has grown to a good size. While I was working with eAddict, I also did some small businesses in food line. We ran a small restaurant in Pimpri. At the same time, I motivated my mother and auntie to start their home food business. for making exclusive Diwali food items. In first season, year 2020, we sold more than 600 kg of Diwali food items in India and abroad, especially in USA, Europe, and Australia. During COVID pandemic, we realized flaws in Indian healthcare. Instead of criticizing someone for the situation, we decided to put our own efforts and make advanced healthcare technology available for all. And so, with the motto of Made in India, Made for the World, we founded a new technology group named Satej Medinova. It's a family of seasoned doctors and engineers. We are working to make technology available at affordable cost. In last week, we inaugurated our first Indian made ventilator named Pran Setu. We could also grab few orders from government as well as from private hospitals pan India. The production has already started in Pune near Hadapsar. I have signed up MOU with ISSMS College of Engineering wherein I help students to convert their ideas into minimum viable products and start on their own. Since last four years, many students have taken internships in my company and they have completed their projects. Today, when I turn back and see my journey for the last 11 years, I realize that my alma mater has certainly helped me shape my future. Today, I take this opportunity to thank everyone, my department, my professor, my strong alumni network, management, everyone for helping me achieve my goals. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.